Good morning. How are you guys doing? Today is a great day, and I hope you guys are enjoying your day. I have finally clipped my collard green seeds, and I'm letting them dry out some more, and then I'm going to put them in some Ziploc bags. So now I have my own collard green seeds. So I'm getting my cabbage prepared to be planted. I have to go get a little bit more soil. But I put 2 seeds in each one of these little containers. So far, I believe I have 2, 4, 6, 6. I have 6 cabbages that are ready to be planted and grow nice, big, and healthy. My eggplant is growing amazing. She is really growing. Here's some more flowers that I got from the Dollar Tree. Just something to try to help the pollinators to come on in. I have another marigold. Hopefully she'll get a little bit bigger. Here I have planted some radishes. This is one, and this is one, a radish. And I also planted some marigolds to help keep the pests down. Hello everybody. Today I thinned out my marigolds and I planted her in here with my new cucumber plant. I see she has a little flower. I believe it's a boy flower. I'm not too sure till it get a little bit bigger. And I also have my peppers growing in good. She was a little limp earlier, so I gave her a little rainwater. So hopefully she comes in pretty good. I really believe sitting this flower in here with her help getting the pollen and bees to come. So my peppers are turning out great. I wanted to tell you guys about this grass clippings and certain herbal weeds, people may call them, that I put in this jar. I let it sit for a couple of days and I use it as a natural fertilizer. So maybe I can do a video one day on it. Oh my God, I just have to show you guys this. Look at there. I'm going to have me some cucumbers pretty soon, huh? I'm going to have some cucumbers. And something I did do was I did cut some of the leaves down. I did. They were getting so wild and bushy. And it brought some more of my cucumbers to go ahead and form. So sister girl will have some cucumbers soon. In 30 more days. Well, this one right here first. I'll start with this one. In 30 more days, these potatoes should be ready for me to pick, pluck, whatever. I'm going to make sure I do a video on it. This one may be the next month because I planted one month. And then the next month, I planted some more. But I really believe this one, because she's growing so crazy. Look at there. She has a lot of leaves. I believe this is my oldest potato patch, and this is my second potato patch. But we're gonna see. We're gonna give it 30 more days and we'll see what we got in there. My tomatoes seem to come in pretty good. I did a little clipping on her. Some of the leaves, they're just the leaves. I clipped them down so my tomatoes that are producing can get all the food and nutrition that they need. And I also planted a little marigold. I believe that's what this is. A marigold, or it's an African dandy, to help with keeping the pests down. One thing I have learned this year with growing my string beans, they really like to be in the shade. And as you can see, they are growing. They are growing. I'm going to let them get a little bigger. Also, my peppers are doing good in the shade because North Carolina had a heat wave. And this is one of my first little babies. And I believe these are going to be sweet peppers. These are going to be sweet peppers. I'm in love right now with growing these beans. So I think it's time for mommy to get another container. Yes, get another container and some more dirt. And we're going to grow some more string beans because I'm having good luck with them so far. Thank you guys for watching, subscribing. Subscribe so you guys can keep up to date with what I got going on, and let's grow together. Down in the comments, let me know. Do you have anything you're growing? Even if it's an inside plant, let me know if you have anything growing. And I have one more video I'm going to make because we're going on vacation for a while and I don't want my babies to dry out. So just stay tuned, subscribe, comment. You guys have a great day.